In this video, I will be showing you how to design a Kindle cover in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva templates page by typing Kindle cover into the search bar. I select the suggested Kindle cover search to browse through the available designs. After scrolling through the various options, I find an illustrative diary template that catches my eye. I click on it, select the standard paper type, and then click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll start editing the text. I click on the top heading, delete the word diary, and change my to the. I want to change the title to The Art of Emotion, so I'll add new text boxes for the remaining words. I move the panda illustration down for a moment to get the placement right as I type out art, of, and emotion. Now I'll remove the panda completely and focus on the typography. I select the word the and change its font to Glacial Indifference. Next, I select Art and choose the Borsuk font to give it a bolder look. For the word emotion, I'm looking for something more sophisticated. I browse through the font library and select Castle Rock's Demo. To make it stand out, I open the advanced settings to adjust the letter spacing and turn on ligatures for a more elegant feel. I'm still not quite satisfied with the look of emotion, so I continue scrolling through the fonts. I decide on Cinzel Decorative and change the text to all caps. I'll also update the font for the word art to Arvo and make it bold. To finish the text styling, I change the color of the word the to black and carefully resize and align all the words in the center of the page. Next, I'll add a visual element. I head over to the Elements tab and search for emotion. I spend some time looking through the graphics and photos to find the perfect image that represents my title. I settle on a graphic featuring 4 different colored faces. To make it fit the aesthetic, I use the background remover tool to clean it up. Finally, I'll resize the graphic and adjust the title text one last time to ensure everything is perfectly centered and professional. And that's how you create a clean and professional Kindle cover in Canva. Thanks for watching.